Paras. Taking it strong against Chris Cantonos. Mukhang kinuyog siya ron. Let's see the basketball count. With a foul. Aba, yun o. Streamer para kay Tower of Power. The lead has been cut down to 8. Ladies and gentlemen, 8 na lang ang lamang ng Tanduay. Ito, medyo umaanghang ang depensa ng Shell. Pero nakawala si Cantonhos! Yes, Cantonhos has 9 points in the game. Alberque nabitawan ang bola. Jerry Esplana against Jason Webb. Esplana takes it. Yeah!
Alam niya kaya niya yan. On a one-on-one. Ang labang, 6 na lang. Alam ni Jerry Esplana yan.
Nice pivot, pero na-cover siya ni Sandy Albright. Pablo is there!
The lead is down to 4.
Hard court. Just a 4-point lead by Tanduay. Castillo wide open!
Yes! 3-point shot yun.
PLDT long distance shot by Noy Castillo. The lead is down to 1. Half a minute to go. Formula siya on top by 2. Pido Harecho, nakakita ng forma. Wala. Eric Mike!
Kauna tayo.
We're tied again at 76. 24 seconds to go, mga kaibigan.
Hanford, the PBA Underwear. Hanford, angat ka!
Ito po tayo ngayon, ay nako, ito na sinasabi ko. Yan po ang mga bisita natin, Rosemary Rose, ay Ines Veneracion at Hazel Espinosa. Meron sila pelikula eh.
Nakikipagkamay dun sa ating mga kasama rin.
Bakit tayo hindi kinakamayan?
Hindi na natin babanggitin siya. Hindi. Nagbibiro lang kami.
Fourth quarter na po tayo na naman ang ito ng Formula Shell at ang Tanduay Rum. Bad pass by Benji Paras. Ito na naman ang Tanduay on the break. Eric Mank.
You cannot afford to make mistakes against Tanduay because they will run you with the break, you know. And
They'll run you to the ground.
Oo, kung pwede. Sasagarin ang lamang. Back to a 16-point lead for Tanduay.
Benji Paras laban kay Chris Cantonos. Chris Cantonos has certainly been a revelation here sa larong ito. Paras puts it up. Medyo nabitaan, walang control yung tirang yun. The pitch to Pido Harencio. 16 puntos po ang kalamangan ng Tanduay over Formula Shell here in the first minute of the fourth quarter. Eric Menk. Sadi Alvarado against Dualan. 2 seconds on the shot clock. There's a steal by Jerry Esplana.
4-on-2
They've got the numbers. They've got the numbers. Benji Paras. Ooh! What defense there by Sadi Alvarado. Tumihingi ng foul yung Formula Shell. Wala raw tinawag. Jason Webb out to Alvarado. Alvarado taking it strong, and Joel Dualan will give up the foul. As an exasperated Benji Paras throws the ball up.
He's beginning to get frustrated because he's now asking for fouls on almost every play that he tries to go in. So, pero alam mo pare, 4-on-2 yun and they did not run the break well. Imbis na sumaksak, ilinabas ulit pa yung bola, allowing the defense to come in.
Very tentative yung galaw na yun on the fast break play. And those are opportunities that you cannot afford to pass up. Samantala, ilalabas muna si Benji Paras ni Vic Pablo. Meron po tayong 10:31 remaining in the fourth period.
Alam natin, suspendido pa si Jay Mendoza until the next game sa Ormoc. Maglalaro yan. And they really need another bad defensive player badly. Another big man. Eh doon, makakalaro na yan. Baka makatulong rin yan, di ba?
That's right. Importante yan. Noy Castillo
is serving out the 3-game suspension.
Mag-umpisa sa linggo, pwede na yan. Uy! Jerry Esplana with a badly needed shot in the arm para sa Formula Shell. Lead at 16 points para sa Tanduay Rum Gold Masters. Nasa fourth quarter na tayo, mga kaibigan. Sani Alvarado laban kay Joel Dualan. Alvarado pumihit. Joel Dualan did everything he could. But Sani Alvarado just towered over him.
Tama yung sinabi mo, partner. Wala ka na magagawa pang depensa doon. Yun ang pinakamagaling na magagawa mo.
Wala ka na mahihingi pa kay Joel Dualan doon. Jerry Esplana, good fake. Throws it up and picks up a foul from Jason Webb. Jason with his fourth.
The experienced play at the post. Ginawa ni Jerry Esplana, good fake, getting Jason to go up into the air. Very commanding 18-point lead with only 9.5 minutes left. It's the third quarter that Tanduay came up with a big breakaway, no? Yung Shell naman parang hindi rumispa ng positive.
Itong kailangan lahat ng pagkakataon na makukuha nila, they'll have to grab it. And Jerry Esplana trying to stoke the embers here para sa Formula Shell as June Marzan comes back in para sa Formula Shell. He gave a good account of himself doon sa pagpasok niya dito sa third quarter. Diyos maray na pag-gisa yung kabus mga tukang sa Bicolandia. Lalong-lalo na dyan sa Legazpi City. Nakatanggap tayo ng message dito na marami raw nanonood sa Legazpi City. Kaibigan natin si Mel Nazares at si Tony Castro. Kamusta po kayo lahat dyan? Okay, masyado maanghang ha? Ipulutan natin dyan. Ayan, parisan nyo yung Tanduay Ram. Ayos na ayos yan. Eto, Sunny Alvarado. Cantonhos. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Ayun na naman si Jerry Esplana trying to steal the ball. Oh, jump ball. Mabuti pa.
Mabuti pa binitawan na ni Esplana dahil abuti na exactly 0 na yun. 24 ngayon magja-jump ball. Eh siguro naman lamang si Cantonhos.
Agrabyado pa siya dyan. Ayan, hindi niya naman na-realize na the shot clock was almost expired. That's Lomo brought to you by Smart Gold GSM. Sets you free. Sa lahat po ng ating kababayan sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, magandang gabi po sa inyo. At isa pong karangalan na makasama kayo. At maging kasama namin sa pagpapanood ditong napakaganda labanan ng Formula Shell at Tanduay. Game 2 of the Best of 7 Championship Series. It will be a re-jump here.
No, violation called against Jerry Esplana for jumping too soon, no? Before the top of the tip.
Anong tawag doon? Jumping the gun.
Oh, yeah. Well, again, he's trying to get one over the guy na alam niya lamang sa kanya sa top, no?
Oo. Eh, para-para niya. Pero pag nahuli ka, sorry. Here's Pido Harencio to JV Gayoso. Gayoso to Sunny Alvarado. Turnaround jumper na naman ni Alvarado. This time, wala. Pero merong foul na tatawagin on Eric Menk as he jockeyed for position together with Chris Jackson underneath. That's going to be number 3 on Eric Menk.
He picked up 2 fouls early in the first quarter. He hasn't fouled since, no, until now. So that's only his third personal foul. Still a 16-point lead. But almost 9 minutes left. So may oras pa dito para sa Formula Shell.
Alam naman natin yan. Nabanggit mo kanina as Jerry Esplana gets JV Gayoso out of the way. It has been Jerry Esplana who has been taking on the chores here. Sa kanya lahat yung puntos ng Shell dito sa fourth quarter.
Ginigising niya yung mga kanyang kakampi.
6 points here by Esplana in the fourth period. Sunny Alvarado wants to take care of the offensive job here for Tanduay, and the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Formula Shell. The count standing at 69-55. 14 pa rin ang hinahabol ng Formula Shell. Pero pa tayo 8 minutes and 22 seconds remaining in the ball game.
Malayo pa ito, partner.
Oo. June Marzan. Ito si Jerry Esplana against JV Gayoso. Nice pass to Vic Pablo. Uy, nagbitis. Masyado pa nakasatira sa ni Alvarado. Picks it up.
Well, kung hindi hinabol ni Alvarado yun, di magmimintis yun. Eh, bigla nakita si Pablo, may dumadating na depensa. No?
Kanina, nakakalusot yung mga pasang yung kay Big Pablo sa ilalim. Pero dito, pinantayan ni Sunny Alvarado. Pido Harencio, napitawan ng bola, and an offensive foul is going to be called on Sunny Alvarado as he gave an illegal pick. Meron pa tayo 7 minutes and 48 seconds remaining in the fourth period. And we have a timeout by Formula Shell.
Motoline, bateryang pangmatagalan. The official car battery of the PBA.
7 minutes and 38 seconds mananalabi sa ating fourth quarter. There's a foul on Chris Cantonhos. Second personal at pangatlong team foul ng Tanduay Rum Gold. Samantala, ang kalamangan po ng Tanduay, 14 puntos at 69-55. Jerry Esplana lamang kay JV Gayoso. There's a double team. The kick out to Jun Marsan who's wide open. This is a PLDT long distance shot. He doesn't usually take that.
Pero libre siya eh.
Oh.
Yan ang importante, yung player willing to take that kind of a shot. Kaya nagugulat ako bakit di ginagamit ito ng pair shot eh. No? Pinagpipilitan yung mga medyo hindi kumiklik. Ito naman batang ito, mabuti maglaro ito. Taga-Pangasinan ito, di ba?
Masanto sa lapit si Gayo, mga taga-Pangasinan. Masipag yan talaga si Jun Marsan. Sunny Alvarado. JB Gayoso. Turned around by Eric.
Eric has come up with difficult shots, you know, in this series, in these two games.
And in very crucial moments of the game. Ito, 13 puntos na naman ang kalamangan ng Tanduay Rum. Benji Paras.
Ito lahat ng defensa, no? Although he has a mismatch, pero magtutulungan talaga siya dyan.
Uy! What a getaway by Benji Paras against JB Gayoso with a shot clock winding down. Ito, formula siya. Kita nyo naman, laban din talaga ito. And kahit na nilamangan na yan kanina ng 18, ito, nakakabalik-balik sila ng unti-unti. The lead at 11 here for Tanduay. There's a steal by Chris Jackson. Napitawan na bola. Driving towards Eric Mick. Mick Pablo contesting it. Kanina pa natin sinasabi, Dr. J, ito si Chris Jackson. Talaga namang kahit marino dito sa larong ito.
Yes, talagang trabahong wala kang, you cannot argue about the way he has worked. JB Gayoso, by the way, is being replaced dito, partner by Jason Webb. Nakita natin na dito dumatay pa ng bola yung dalawang mga player. Eventually, it's going to be a held ball between Victor Pablo at saka Eric Menk.
Ito si Chris Jackson, bagamat he's doing his usual job off the boards on defense. He has also scored a quiet 9 points, 6 of them here in the third. Oh, here in the second half, rather.
Napunta na naman yung bola dito si Shell, madulas doon.
No slide dito si Jun Marsan. Here's Jackson. Paras. Taking it strong against Chris Cantonos. Mukhang kinuyog siya ron. Let's see the basketball count. With a foul. Yun, streamer para kay Tower of Power. With 6:04 remaining, the lead of Tanduay has been cut in half. 18 po kanina yan, ngayon siyam na lang. Mantala si Jun Marsan, ilalabas na naman, papasok na naman si Noy Castillo.
Well, I can understand what they did. They wanted Castillo to rest. They feel that the last 6 minutes, ito bobomba. Pero nandun na rin yung laro ni Marsan. Pwede na siguro bigyan na isa pa, dalawang play. Pero of course, alam natin mas tirador as a shooter si Noy Castillo.
Yung offensive power nitong Noy Castillo.
Pero yung depensa naman ni Marsan.
At saka yung hustle.
Ito mo yan. Yan ganyan.
Jason Webb against Noy Castillo. The lead has been cut down to 8. Ladies and gentlemen, 8 na lang ang lamang ng Tanduay. Ito, medyo umaanghang ang depensa ng Shell. Pero nakawala si Cantonhos! Yes, Cantonhos has 9 points in the game. All of them scored here in the second half.
Certainly a big help, no? Nagkaroon na naman sila ng player off the bench after nawala si Bobby Jose due to a sprain.
Yes. 10-point lead by Tanduay. Difficult situation by Benji Noy Castillo. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Paras against Cantonhos. Turnaround jumper by Paras. Yan naman ang masasabi mo rito kay Benji Paras. Kahit wala sa posisyon, wala na sa forma. Alporque, nabitawan ang bola. Jerry Esplana against Jason Webb. Esplana takes it. Yeah!
Alam niya, kaya niya yan. One-on-one. Ang labang, 6 na lang.
6 na lang ang kalabangan ng Tanduay. We still have 5:05 remaining in the ball game. At tumawag po ng timeout si Alfrancis Chua.
Bounce back into the game with Dunkin' Donuts. Sounds good. Tastes even better.
Yun ang sinasabi, magdagdag ingat. Kaya tumawag ng timeout yan si Alfrancis Chua. Sabi niya, ingatan ninyo yung ating kalabangan. Kanina 18 yan, ngayon 6 na lamang. Just a 6-point lead now for Tanduay.
Tama yung sinabi mo, partner. Ayun ang cut ni Alain. Nakagawa pa.
Vic Pablo with a steal. Good anticipation by Vic Pablo. 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining in the game. The lead of Tanduay is down to 6.
Alam naman natin, di rin mati itong share na ito.
Para kabayo.
You know, that timeout was also called by Alfrancis Chua, so he could bring in Pido Harencio. He had to take Alforque out, who made that error. No? There was a steal by Jerry Esplana. Kaya naipasok na rin niya ngayon si Pido Harencio.
Samantalang ating score 73-67.
Only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Alam ni Jerry Esplana yan.
Nice pivot, pero na-cover siya sa Alvay. Pablo is there!
The lead is down to 4.
Down to 4. A 26 20-6 run here by Formula Shell to cut this lead down, which once stood at 18 points dito po sa larong ito. 4 na puntos lang ang nilalamang nitong Tanduay Ram. At alam natin, excited na lalo itong ating mga kababayan sa Ormoc. Lalo na yung ating gracious host, si Mayor Dodong Cudilla. Sabi ni Mayor, kala niya pupunta ka raw.
Well, medyo masyado kasing nagkapalit ng schedule. Meron tayong gagawin.
Kumabaw
rin tayo.
Okay lang. Ando naman si Kinito at si Chino Trinidad.
Tsaka si Yang Giao.
Oo.
Alam mo na yung dadali mo sa akin. Kickball violation, 24-second shot clock to be reset.
Once again, we'd like to remind you that the game on wala po tayong game sa Friday, walang game sa Biyernes.
But meron tayong special yata.
Yes, nilalabas dito sa BTV tungkol din sa championship. On Sunday, doon po sa Ormoc City ang laro natin. Mapapanood din po ninyo yan dito sa BTV. At ito si Eric Menk against Chris Jack, double team. Jackson again, diving for that ball and picking it up. Chris Jackson has certainly done a lot. Medyo may nagre-react ng mga fans dito. May nagbato ng baso sa hardcourt. Just a 4-point lead by Tanduay. Castillo wide open!
Yes! 3-point shot yun!
PLDT long distance shot by Noy Castillo. The lead is down to 1. What a game!
Akala mo tapos na ito kanina nung sa third quarter.
Umabot po sa 18 kanina kalabakan ng Tanduay. It is down to 1. Jason Webb is also wide open.
Wala.
Benji Paras, the tower of power. And it is Jerry Esplana. Esplana has also done a yeoman's job as point guard for Formula Shell in this game.
Kundi kay Esplana, I don't think they'd have the will to come back.
Siya yung talagang he kept the spirit alive for Formula Shell. Here's steal by Alvarado. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Esplana once again open. Jumper by Esplana. Wala.
24-second violation.
Buzzer goes off. 2 minutes and 49 seconds ang nalalabi mga kaibigan. Ito makikita ninyo, Noy Castillo biglang na libre. Wide open, he had all night to shoot this one. And he did not let Shell down. 3-point shot by Castillo to cut the lead down to 1. We have a timeout, folks.
Timeout situation po. 3:20. 3 pool and 20. Sila.
Motolite, bateryang pangmatagalan. The official car battery of the PBA.
Open shot for Pidoja Reggio. Eric Menk with the offensive rebound.
That's big, huh?
Still a 1-point lead para sa Tanduay. 2 minutes and 22 seconds ang nalalabi mga kaibigan. Just a 1-point lead by Tanduay. Nasa kanila ang bola. Jason Webb. We've got a fresh 24-second shot clock down to 10. Eric Menk against Chris Jackson. Narito si Sunny Alvarado, double teamed. Foul na tatawagin.
If it's on Paras, that's going to be number 5.
Mukhang ngayon. Yes. Pero samantala mga kaibigan, let's take a look at our Kodak unguarded shot. Tingnan natin ito. Hindi po umpisa ng 100-meter butterfly ito. Si Noy Castillo yan.
Yeah, Noy Castillo diving to try to save the ball. He was unsuccessful, pero the effort was certainly big.
Yes. Alvarado at the line misses the shot.
Not a very productive evening for Alvarado.
Alvarado currently with 17 points in the game. He's been playing the outside. Got it on the second try. And a 2-point lead here for Tanduay in Game 2 of the Best-of-7 Championship Series. Tanduay with a 1-game lead in this championship. And we're in the last 2 minutes, brought to you by Winston. Now in an international pack, Jerry Esplana!
Tablado, pare.
Yes. 74 all. The last time we had a deadlock was at 7 all. Tanduay has dominated this game since then. Pero ngayon, tinabla na po ng Formula Shell. Only the second deadlock in this game. Gaya na sinabi natin, the last one at 7 all. Malaki-laki itong hinabol ng Formula Shell.
Hindi naman sila gumigive up. Both teams have 14 fouls apiece, so they're 1 from getting into the penalty situation.
Jason Webb against Noy Castillo. Alvarado nag-aabang ng pasa. Vic Pablo's on top of him. Alvarado, isolated. Alvarado double teamed. No, that pass picked up by Jerry Esplana, and Bobilachel is running. Ito si Vic Pablo against Alvarado. Pablo underneath. Oh, pinang Pablo Alvarado. Big block. Big block by Alvarado. A minute and 24 to go. We are tied at 74. Pido Harencio. Naghahanap ng mga akusahan. Binigay kay Alvarado. Corner shot. Wala, mahina. Chris Jackson for the rebound.
Anybody's ball game, partner. 1 minute and 10 seconds left.
Scintillating action here in the PBA, ladies and gentlemen, in Game 2 of the Championship Series. Jackson. Binigay kay Benji Paras against Cantonjos. Pero foul.
It's a good foul. It's not the
Wala pa sa
penalty.
penalty.
Just be a side control. It will also relieve the pressure from everybody, including
yeah.
all the fans here.
Matindi itong pressure na ito. Para tayo nasa pressure cooker nito. Ito naman ang nangyari kanina, mga kaibigan. Sonny Alvarado right on top of Vic Pablo.
Magandang blanca yun dahil nakuha pa nila yung possession. No?
Yes. Less than a minute to go, folks. Hang on to your seats. Tabla po tayo, 74 all. You can't get any closer in the game. Paras out to Castillo. Castillo hesitating. Benji Paras off balance. Esplana! Jerry Esplana has 20 points in the game. 12 of them here in the fourth quarter. Lamang na ang Formula Cell na dalawa with only 40 seconds remaining. We have this timeout.
Another t-shirt win for Moto Life Battery. And our referee, Moto Life Girls, ready to get this shit
Gentlemen, eto po, mga kaibigan, nakakita nyo ang effort ng Formula Cell. Nakandara pa si Benji Paras. Open shot for Jerry Esplana. Walang aling. Formula Shell now in the lead. You look at it from another angle. Oh, Jerry Esplana playing real splendid basketball here, especially in the fourth quarter when he has spearheaded Formula Shell, scoring 12 of his 20 points in this final period, Dr. J.
Well, a big gamble here on the part of Coach Alfrancis Chua. Inalis niya si Cantonos and he puts in a gunner in the person of Rene Alforque. No?
Oh.
A smaller team but a possible scorer here. Tanduay has only had 2 out of 8. Muntik na, naging backing violation dahil ang tapon sa kanya ni Alvarado. Mahirap ha.
Oh,
Kung di
very
magaling
wide.
sumalo ito, mahirap yun.
That was very wide. Half a minute to go. Formula Shell on top by 2. Pido Harencio, nakakita ng forma. Wala. Eric Mike!
Down na tayo.
We're tied again at 76. 24 seconds to go, mga kaibigan. Wow, is this a championship game or what? Time out muna tayo. Time out.
X.
24 seconds left. May foul on Sonny Alvarado. They are in the penalty. At palibang personal foul yan ni Sonny Alvarado. That will send Benji Paras to the line.
Nagulat ako doon because akala ko wala pa sila sa penalty. Napatingin ako, they're in the penalty. It's Shell that's not in the penalty.
That's right.
So bakit niya binigay yung ganong klaseng foul, no?
Tabla po tayo at 76 all. Hindi na po tayo tabla.
Experienced player yan. But, you know, whatever happens, if he makes the shot, or at least if he misses and Tanduay can get the rebound, they have the time to set up the play. Plenty of time, actually. 27 points, game 1, 23 tonight. Pero the big player for Shell has been Jerry Esplana.
Oh, yes. 23.5 seconds to go. Benji Paras canning both charities. Lamang ang Shell ng dalawa with 23.5 seconds. 78-76. We have another timeout. Mga kaibigan, is rocking tonight. It is absolutely rocking. At lamang po ang Shell ng dalawa. 78. Ito yung montik ng backing kanina ni Alforque of that pass by Sonny Alvarado.
That's a great athletic ability. For him to be able to save that ball from going out. Masamang pasa ni Alvarado. Missed by Harencio, but the follow-up here by Eric Mek. Major pain.
Diyan tayo tumabla at 76 all. Pero na-foul naman ni Cantono si Benji Paras dito sa pagbalik. And Benji Paras made both charities. So lamang ngayon ang Shell ng dalawa. 78-76 with 23.5. Tignan natin kung ano pinag-usapan.
Loka, Pakito. Now, after setting a pick, I want you to go out. Eric, you go back. Okay? In the middle. Okay? Remember, we still got one timeout. 1 second. 1 second. Hey, it's okay. You can make it.
Tandaan po ninyo mga kaibigan, lumamang po ng 18 puntos itong Tanduay dito sa second half. Ngunit unti-unti pong kinain ng Formula Shell yan, which has not lost back-to-back.
Yan ang napansin ko, pare. Hindi
Six games,
streak,
oo.
no? Not since
6
his
weeks.
5-game losing streak, tapos nag-5-game winning streak yan. Di natatalon 2 dikit yan.
Aba, tingnan natin.
Pero ito yung Tanduay, they would like to break it, no?
Oo,
Maybe they can go for broke here with a 3-point shot.
Shell is not yet in the penalty. 21 seconds to go. Shell in the lead by 2. Pido Harencio. Nakatingin kay Eric Meng. Harencio pa rin. Walang makitang pasa ron. Binigay kay Alvarado sa labas. Big Pablo Paul following him. Harencio is open! Wala! Alperque! Wala! And Noy Castillo picks up the rebound. There's a foul. Being called by referee Montiel. Oh, Jason Webb is called for the foul. That's going to be number 5. And that will send Noy Castillo to the line with 6.9 seconds.
He has to make 2.
Tama, oh.
He misses 1 or he misses both. Tanduay still has plenty of time.
Ang Tanduay meron pang timeout, isang 20 second, ano? 20 second timeout na lang para sa Tanduay.
But that's still 6.9 seconds.
Oh,
So he has to
yes.
make 2. You know, he makes 1. It's just a 1 possession game. He misses both. May problema. Well, he's a good free throw shooter.
Uy, medyo mahina yata yan.
There it is.
Oh.
He opens the door here for Tanduay. A 3-point shot can tie it. No? Or even win it depending on the second one.
Talagang kakaiba ito laro.
Paano? Game 3 nito siguro lalo na.
Ay, siyempre. Kurbina. Pastilan. Itaon. Kaya sa Orbok, ha? Magandam-andam na mo. Karong Domingo. Noy Castillo makes the second.
Tulo.
Oh, Formula Shell with a 3-point lead over Tanduay, 6.9 seconds. At tatawag ng 20-second timeout si Coach Al Francis Chua. Ito po ang inyong PBA mga kaibigan para sa lahat. Ilocano, Bicolano, Kapampangan, Panggalatok, Cebuano, Waray, Ilonggo, Tausug. Hoy, mga kaibigan natin mga Muslim, anong man relihiyon ninyo? Katoliko, Protestante, Iglesia ni Cristo, mga kapatid na Iglesia.
Same.
Si Cabert de los Santos, dyan sa Traders. Kumusta po kayo? Ayan, sigurado mga suki natin. Ito, pakinggan natin si Coach Al Francis.
Jonah, just move. Pass. Bilisan nyo, ha? Go out. Hey. And then Phil, if nothing happens, 2-man game and take a shot.
Go, 3 points, guys. 3 points. Have a ball to give. They're gonna give it. They're gonna give it. Throw it up for us. Go, 3 points. 3 points.
O, Dr. J, paki-interpret.
Well, alam na niya 3-point shot. No? He's sending in another 3-point shooter, Joe Merubib. And gusto niya 2-man game. They have to throw from the backcourt.
Pero wala pa sa penalty
Ang
siya.
problema niyan is they'll give up the foul. But it has to be done quickly. No? They've got to set themselves into offensive play. Right? All of those guys can shoot 3-point shots, including Eric Meng.
Yes.
Ang problema is they have to throw in from the backcourt. So
3-point lead ng Shell with 6.9 seconds. Ito na si Pito Harencio. Si Alforque! Pinalpal ni Benjo Perez! Torres Plata has it! Shell evens up the series! We are tied in the series, 1 game apiece! Going to game number 3 in Ormoc City! Oh boy, what a comeback by Formula Shell, Dr. J.
yeah, they were down already. They had dug themselves a big hole, 18 points down. Defense did it for them and the heart of Jerry Esplana leading them, you know, eventually. Tapos nandiyan si Benji Paras, kahit 4 fouls, 5 fouls, lumaban.
Noy Castillo came up with a crucial 3-point shot from an open situation. Big Pablo was very steady tonight. Pero ito po mga kaibigan ng ating Viva Mineral Water Best Player of the Game is with Dong Alejar, Jerry Esplana. Dong?
Okay, thanks Ed. Jerry, an unbelievable performance sa last quarter, 12 points. Ano ba nasa isip mo nung nagawa mo yung stretch na yon?
Well, kailangan natin bumaba because we're down. Ang laki ng lamang nila. So sabi ni Coach, huling hirit na to, bigyan natin lahat. Let's have some pride. Ito mga bata to, tatakbo-takbuhan lang tayo. Kaya bigyan natin lahat.
Jerry, nung last 4 minutes, doon nababa ng team nyo yung lamang sa single digit. Nagsigawan na yung crowd. Anong nadagdag nito sa inyo? Na-inspire ba kayo na nagsigawan na yung crowd?
siyempre malaking tulong din sila dahil sila sumusuporta sa atin. Tsaka yung bumaba sa single digits, talagang sabi namin medyo nakakuha kami ng butas para malapit tong lamang at eventually nga nakakuha namin, tanalo kami.
Okay, congratulations again, Jerry. A great game. Okay, ipasa natin kay Anthony. Ay, kay Benji, sandali. Si Benji pala nandito. Benji, sorry. I almost forgot. Benji, best player. Benji, you were dominating the whole game. Ano bang inspire ka ba, na-challenge ka ba yung sa ginagawa ng dalawang malalaking tao ng Tanduay?
Oo, saka hindi naman sa na-challenge. Talagang kailangan namin magtrabaho ng doble. Dahil nung nakaraang game, ang laki ng lamang nila sa amin. So, yun ang ginawa namin.
Yung last game, dominado nila yung painted area to si Eric Mengas at si Sunny Alvarado. Ngayon naman, lumabang kayo ng matindi. Ano naman ang inspiration nyo?
Wala, ang sinabi lang ni Coach sa amin is i-locate namin yung dalawa lagi para ma-box at hindi makakuha na rebound.
Okay, congratulations again, Benji, and great game. Okay, pasa natin kay Anthony kasama si Coach.
Thanks a lot, Dong. Coach, what a win. I can't say anything else.
Ako rin, yun ang puso. That's what I call heart. Playing with heart.
In terms of the score, they only scored 76 points. Can you imagine? I remember you said you have to hold them below 80 and you did.
Yes, that's a tribute to the work ethic of these guys. No, they willed the win. Okay? They willed it. It's just a matter of playing hard, playing together, especially when the going gets tough.
So what did you tell them? Because that was practically transformation. You guys were down by so much. All of a sudden, you guys were up.
Well, I just told them to keep on playing the game. No? They had to keep on playing the game and concentrate on it. No? They cannot veer away from what the game plan was.
Well, congratulations. Now, do you expect a war in Ormoc?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, thanks a lot. Congratulations. We'll take a break. We'll be back in just a while.
Mga kaibigan, niyo po ang ating kinalabasan ng ating labanan sa Game 2, a best of 7 series between Formula Shell and Tanduay around a big come-from-behind victory by Formula Shell. The score 79-76. Nung third quarter, Dr. J, lumamang ng 18 puntos. Itong Tanduay, alam naman natin itong Tanduay, pagka rumatsyada ng ganyan, parang ayaw nang bumitaw. Pero inunti-unti yan ng Formula Shell, napakatsaga. Sabi nga ni Coach Perry Ronquillo, yung puso at yung championship composure ng kanyang team.
That's right. They were down by 14 points, but they scored 30 points in the fourth quarter and limited Tanduay to only 13. So they took a 17-point advantage there to win the ball game by 3. Ay katulad ng sinasabi natin, yung strategy nila from the very beginning, they were going to play a half-court game and they thought that to beat this team, you've got to be 80 or below. Kung pa medyo sa 90, hindi ka mananalo rito dahil they don't have the firepower in that team to do so.
Well, sakling-sakli yung ating score ngayon, 79-76 lang ang ginawa ng Tanduay.
Yes.
Now, we are facing a tied series going to game number 3. Nalalaroin po sa Ormoc sa linggo. Wala ho tayong game sa Biyernes. Pupunta po tayo sa Ormoc sa linggo. What are we looking at now? Any advantage on either side, Dr. J?
Well, I think, Tanduay still has a big advantage. Alam naman nila, ang problema sa Tanduay, nasaktan si Bobby Jose. That's very big for them. He could have certainly helped in the second half. Now, of course, Coach Alfrancis Chua, magaling rin yan. And his coach is Itoy. Pagtutulungan nila, they'll study. Bakit tayo linalaro ng ganito? Ito, this is not the game we want to play. This destroys the momentum of our game. So let's try to do a lot of practices in order to be able to run or to force that team to run. Maybe they put backcourt pressure, force them to bring up the ball very quickly and continue to put pressure para mabilis ang pasahan ng bola.
Parang yung nangyari ng Game 1. Of course, Formula Shell will have something to say about that.
Yes.
Well, anyway, mga kaibigan, nais natin paalala muli sa inyo sa linggo po. Ang game time doon po sa Ormoc City is at 2:30, alas 12:30 po. So kailangan maaga-maaga kayo sapagkat maaga po yung ating laro dyan para naman mabigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga sa ibang mga bayan, Dr. J. Alam niyo naman, ang Leyte, malaking lalawigan yan. We've been getting calls mga from Cebu, from Samar, para magkaroon kayo ng pagkakataon na makauwi ng maaga. Yan po ang ating game sa linggo, Formula Shell versus Tanduay. Ang ating pong series ay tabla. Pareho pong tig-isang panalo niya. Best of 7 po ito. Pero once you get a lead, Dr. J, malaking bagay yan eh.
Siyempre. At saka at the same time, you put a lot of pressure on the opposing team. Pag makatuwan ka, your always chances of going 3-1 is so much better.
Oh, yes. Okay. Ito ngayon natin mga kaibigan ng ating Budweiser PBA Buddies. At ano naging kinalabasan nito? Of course, medyo lamang pa rin dyan ang Tanduay tandem.
But like I said, yeah, Alvarado did not score well tonight. That's why that's only a 9-point differential. And Castillo hit a big 3-point shot. So did Paras do well in the fourth quarter. The rebounds, of course, no contest yan, 27-9. But the turnovers of Tanduay hurt. That's 12 against only 2. And that's a 10, at least 10 opportunities to shoot na hindi mo binigyan ng pagkakataon yung team mo. This is where they hurt. This is where Al Francis has to make his corrections.
Well, mga kaibigan, alam niyo naman dito sa VTV, spoiled kayong lahat pagdating sa sports. Bukas, Dr. J, PBL, ano ba ang mapapanood natin dyan?
Well, the start of the PBL Juniors, kami nag-umpisa dito, and that will be a game between Absolute and Happy. Absolute, di pa natatalo. It's a best of 3 series. It will start. Then the second game, we are in the semifinals of the seniors, and Blue detergent will play Chowking. That's Coach Canson versus Coach Leo
Austria.
Who's also now a playing coach. Yes.
Si Leo, taga Quezon yan. Sariaya, Quezon. Anyway, mga kaibigan, tuloy-tuloy po ang ating paghahandog sa inyo ng mga sports spectacular dito sa VTV. Ako, ito, maganda na naman itong girian na ito sa NBA.
Well, we will give you game 5, no? Yung between Utah Jazz and Portland. At that stage, it's Portland up 3-1 in the series, and they can finish it off. But it's in Salt Lake City, so the Jazz will certainly have to say something about it, being the defending champions of the Western Conference.
Okay, mga kaibigan, at dumating din po tayo sa pagtatapos ng ating coverage para sa gabing ito. Wala po rito sa Araneta Coliseum. Nais nating paalala muli sa inyo. Pagkatapos po nitong ating palatuntunan, blow by blow naman tayo. Bakbakan naman yan sa larangan ng boxing sa Bantamweight Division. Maganda ito. Ricky Vasco and Felix Marfa. Kinover ko yan. At sinisiguro ko sa inyo, mga kaibigan, na magugustuhan po ninyo mga labanan dyan sa blow by blow.
Wala tayong laro partner sa Biyernes, pero meron tayong coverage ng mga basketballs. May mga ano tayo dyan. At saka meron tayong pag-uusapan tungkol dito sa first 2 games ng serya na ito.
Maganda yan. Yung games 1 and 2 nitong ating pong championship series in retrospect. Pagdating ng Friday, syempre retrospect niya. We will look back at what happened in games 1 and 2. Mga classic ito, Dr. J, sapagkat Tanduay, yung hataw team nga, parehang hataw, bigla na lamang inunti-unti lang, killing me softly nga, sabi ko, dito sa Formula Shell. Nasabi nga ni Dr. J, walang laro sa Biyernes, mga kaibigan, tandaan po ninyo, baka maligaw na naman iba nating mga kasama, pero malugod po kayong inaanyayahan ni Mayor Dodong Codilla at ang lahat po ng mga Ormocanon. Doon po sa Ormoc Superdome, alas 2:30 ng hapon, ang ating mga laro, ang ating laro ng Formula Shell at Tanduay. At syempre pa, yung iba't ibang mga bayan around Ormoc Leyte, yung mga taga Cebu, mga taga Samar, mga taga dapit sa Baybay, dito sa Hindang, sa Inupacan, sa Bato, diha nila na dadong Malyari, sa ako mga higala o parintihan diha sa Hindang, at sa Ormoc karon Domingo. Didaliwat diha may mga kawarayan, dila Tacloban, Palo, ngadto na Ormoc, pagkirigta kita, yan ang Domingo, alas 2:30, ang Mulay, dito Ormoc, Formula Shell versus Tanduay promises to be another clash.
Should be. So far, the games have been very close, and it's very nice.
Thank you very much for joining us, folks. This is Ed Pixon together with Andy Howe for Vintage Television. Good night. See you in Ormoc. See you around.